In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for marketing teams. By the end, you'll know how to spin up a complete strategic marketing workspace in minutes using a proven template so your team can plan campaigns, track deliverables, and report progress all in one place. Start inside ClickUp in your team space overview. This is the hub where you can see the big picture for your marketing work. If you're not already there, open your workspace and head to the overview for the team space you want to use. Make sure you have the right permissions for that space so you can add templates without any issues. Next, open the space options. Look for the three dots next to your space name and click them. This opens a menu with settings and tools specific to the space, including access to templates. Templates are the fastest way to get consistent structure across your team's projects, so you don't have to build lists, views, and fields from scratch. From that menu, choose Templates, then select Browse Templates. This takes you to ClickUp's template library where you can quickly filter for the kind of setup you need. In the search bar, type Marketing. This narrows the results to systems designed specifically for marketing teams. From the results, select Strategic Marketing Plan. This template is a great starting point because it typically includes lists for goals and campaigns, tasks for planning and execution, and helpful views like timelines, calendars, and dashboards that make reporting easier. You'll be able to tailor all of it to your process once it's imported. Click Use Template. You'll see an import window where you can confirm the location and options. If you're unsure, using the default settings is a safe bet. They usually include the core lists, custom fields, and views you'll want. When you're ready, click Use Template again to confirm and start the import. Depending on your workspace size, this may take a moment. When the template lands in your space, you'll see the full structure ready to go. Start by renaming lists to match your campaigns or channels, adjust statuses to reflect your team's workflow, and update due dates and assignees so owners are clear. Custom fields like budget, channel, or campaign type help keep reporting consistent, and views like calendar or board make day-to-day execution easy. That's it. You've just set up a strategic marketing system in ClickUp using a template, giving your team a shared source of truth for planning, execution, and reporting. Save this template setup for future campaigns, and you'll launch faster every time.